No earth wire. Do not plug this before you put your sandwich inside. I think this hit quickly and we don't need to put this on the top bar. Yeah, both layers getting hot. Okay, let's keep this a little bit. I'm not sure whether I'm cooking with this aluminum paper is correct. Simply hot here. But not the bottoms. But it is hot somewhere. Oh no, oh, it isn't hot. It is hot here. Very much. To okay, it turned into green, and let's see what happens. There is no switch to turn on or turn off, so all you have is a switch off or plug it off. Yes, it cooked real nice. See? Yeah, it took real like. Never ever do something like this, like, because these are non-stick, and that chemical, once it get scratch, it is not good, right? You see, you can simply keep 4 of them, and yeah, let's try to make some sandwich, but I'm not sure this will work. I haven't made sandwich before. Okay, this is all I have with me, and let's try to make some sandwiches. I wonder how this red mark turn into green. Maybe due to thermal conductivity, the upper layer and the lower layer, the different may be identified. do not switch on before you keep your sandwich inside. Okay, just keep it. I think this one is meant to be go to lower here, something like this. Yep. It doesn't matter whether you press this or make it tough or not, because it depends this when you open this lid. All matter is here. Let's keep it and see what happens. It looks like really nice here. Then here, see what else we have here. What is this Panni mean? I have no idea. Okay, it's still red. Okay, now it's switched to green. Let's see what is inside now.